Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the bending process over the concrete beam. You can see it is the concrete beams. These are the supporters. These are the load or force body. We assign force to these bodies. This is the static simulation. You can see that, and the time for that is 0.19 second. And at this point, the not convergence happened because of the here tensile damage. The tensile damage decrease the target time, minimum time increment to microsecond, and it needs time, for instance 2 days to be complete, or the compressive damage, compression damage. Here you can see that. And we got force displacement diagram for this simulation. You can see that the maximum force capacity is 300 kilonewton for the beam, concrete beam, and after that we have the decline or decrease in stiffness, and the stiffness degradation happened. This is the static simulation, but in the other simulation we used the explicit simulation. You can see that this is the maximum load which happened over the beam, and if I take, for instance, the compressive damage, you can see here at time 0.2 nearby the explicit time, it is completely damaged, compressive. But in time 19, see that the tensile damage happened, and after that in time 20 it is completely damaged. See that 99%. Okay, this is the dynamic simulation. Let's me to check the static. You check it is 300 kilonewton maximum capacity, and for the explicit, see that the explicit again it is similar. You can see that for the displacement 0.2 it is 300 kilonewton. So but after that we have decline in the capacity. See that we have decline in capacity. If I zoom out here, you can see this is a whole diagram, and this is the damage zone here. After that we have the damage and decline in the steepness. So the dynamic explicit have a good predict of the results based on the static simulation, but it needs less time, less than 1 hour. But the static simulation needs, for instance, 2 days to be complete. But the static simulation is more accurate than the explicit. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial. They are provided for English user. Click on the title or blue sign that says continue, and then you will have this title, short explanation about the process and simulation, and you can see the results here. So if there are three important points here. The file contains CAE, INP, and English video file step by step, and the cost for that is $33 US. If you have Bitcoin, you can pay with that. If you haven't Bitcoin, you can pay with PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.